Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate e-commerce analytics with Google Analytics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate e-commerce analytics with Google Analytics, you first need to set up your Google Analytics account. Visit the Google Analytics website and sign in or create a new account. Once logged in, click on the admin gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the page. In the Property column, select Create Property to start a new tracking property for your e-commerce site. Fill in the required fields, such as your website name, and choose the time zone that reflects your business operations. After setting up your property, you will receive a tracking ID. This ID is crucial for collecting data from your e-commerce site. Next, you will need to install the Google Analytics tracking code on your website. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, consider using a plugin to simplify this process. For other platforms, copy the tracking code provided and paste it into the header of your website's HTML. Once installed, verify that the tracking code is working by checking the real-time reports in Google Analytics. Now, enable e-commerce tracking within Google Analytics. Navigate back to the admin section and select View Settings under the View column. Scroll down to find the e-commerce settings and toggle it to on. You can also enable enhanced e-commerce if you want to gather more detailed insights about your customers' shopping behavior. Next, configure your e-commerce settings to track specific metrics. Identify key performance indicators relevant to your business, such as revenue, conversion rates, and average order value. You will need to set up goals in Google Analytics to measure these KPIs effectively. Go to Goals in the Admin section and click New Goal. Choose a template or create a custom goal based on your objectives. Follow the prompts to set up the goal details and confirm the settings. Now, integrate Google Analytics with your e-commerce platform. Depending on your platform, you may use plugins or additional scripts to connect the two. After integration, ensure your data is flowing correctly by checking the conversions reports in Google Analytics. To automate reporting, set up custom dashboards. Navigate to the Customization tab and click on Dashboards. Select Create to build a new dashboard tailored to your e-commerce metrics. Add widgets that track sales, traffic sources, and product performance. Lastly, schedule regular reports to receive insights directly in your email. Go to the Customization tab and select Reports. Set the frequency and format for the reports you wish to receive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.